Welcome to the National Railways of Zimbabwe, NRZ. NRZ is wholly owned by the government of Zimbabwe and as such operates in accordance with the public sector rules and regulations. Our core business is transportation through freight trains with the aim of providing a seamless, efficient, reliable, cost-efficient and safe bulk transportation services of both goods and passengers in the country. Our rail network stretches over 2,760 route kilometers of gauge track linked to all cities and towns in the country. Our major cities, we have direct links with industries, giving us the ability to move goods from your doorstep to their desired destination. Therefore, our network sits at the center of the Southern African region and interfaces with contagious railways on export-import routes. We offer passenger services with our intercity passenger service generally linking to all major cities and towns of the country. We also run from the major cities of Harare and Bulawayo to all the borders with neighboring countries. The National Railways of Zimbabwe has got a significant number of properties dotted all over the country. Hence, we have the NRZ Real Estate. NRZ Real Estate is the custodian of all NRZ immovable property, whose mandate is to achieve maximum returns through leasing of surplus land and buildings. We pride ourselves in our engineering services. The National Railway of Zimbabwe offers a range of engineering services through the Inter-Rail Tech. Our workshops are among the largest integrated workshops in Southern Africa. They are geared to maintain, refurbish locomotives and rolling stock and manufacture various inputs and spares for the entire railway system, mining and engineering industries. The Inter-Rail Tech mechanical workshops are located in Bulawayo and Mutare, offering comprehensive locomotive maintenance, repairs and refurbishment services. We also have the NRZ Training College, which plays a major role in the development of skilled manpower who are rated amongst the best in the world. Some of the courses on offer at the training college are electrical power engineering, motor vehicle maintenance in automotive engineering, fabrication, machine shop and millwright in the mechanical engineering department.
My name is Gordon Murray. I am the curator of the NRZ Museum. The museum was opened on the 4th of November 1972, 75 years after the opening of the line from Freiburg through Botswana to Bulawayo. The importance of the Railway Museum is to promote the history of the railways and to promote the railways itself.
As NRZ, we care about our employees and their welfare. We also understand that we do not operate in a vacuum, but we have local communities around us. As a result, the company has got company clinics which not only serve our workforce, but as well they serve the local communities that we live amongst. As we are here to serve the nation. NRZ, the National Railways of Zimbabwe.